everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we're creating something dark, cinematic and perfect for Halloween, the Venom Symbiote Fusions effect using Gemini AI powered by Nano Banana. And here we will turn a simple photo into a realistic live action style Venom transformations. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then just log in using your Google account, and then just head to the create image, just tap on it to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. It's Google newest tool that lets you edit or generate images instantly just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. Just select a clear pictures of yourself. Make sure your face is well lit and facing the camera clearly. The clearer your photo, the better the AI can match your facial feature and details. Next, just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just upload your photo. Like this. Now let's move on the most important part. Let's writing a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, but feel free if you want to tweak the prompt to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, just a few moments, you will see your photo transform into a stunning Venom-style portrait like this. Just look at the texture, the lighting, and the realistic details. It looks like straight out of a Marvel movie. And then if something looks a little off, just try re-uploading a brighter photo or adjusting your face angle slightly, and then just tweak your prompt to get the better result. And okay, that's it. Your Venom Symbiote Fusions effect is complete. It's perfect for Halloween edits, profile photos, or cinematic AI art posts. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!